Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy OHM so you can stake it. Alright, so if you don't know all about Olympus, a coin with a high interest rate, which is 8,000, and sometimes you'll find that it changes like to 7,000, sometimes higher and sometimes lower. Alright, and if you want to know more about it, just check YouTube videos about this, and it explains a lot about the system and compounding and everything you need to know before getting into this, and do your own research, of course. Okay, so how to buy it? The coin of OHM isn't on any centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin, so we need to use decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and Uniswap. All right, so to use this decentralized exchanges you need Metamask wallet. If you don't have it, just check my channel, you'll find how to install Metamask. It's really simple and easy. Then you need to have Ethereum or any stable coin that you can swap to get OHM coin. Alright, so where to get that? Just there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. Just check how to buy crypto or anything with your credit card, or use Binance or KuCoin and buy Ethereum and then send it to Metamask, and then you can swap the Ethereum or the stable coin to get OHM on these decentralized exchanges. Okay, so let's say that you've got Ethereum on your wallet. Just get to Uniswap or SushiSwap. Here is Ethereum already selected. You need to connect your wallet. Just click connect, choose Metamask or whatever other wallet that you have, and choose the account and click next and connect. And here you are connected. Choose here what token that you want. In here we need OHM, and here it is selected. If you don't see it in here and you see it as this one here, just click import. Okay, but be careful and choose OHM and not SOHM. This is for staked Olympus, so choose this one. Okay, and click on it, and here it is, and then enter the amount that you want. Let's say 1 ETH, which will be getting us 3 OHM point this amount. Okay, so one thing that I should mention is that you need to have some extra Ethereum on your wallet that you need to keep on your wallet, because you will be paying fees with that. All right, so for example, when you buy with Ethereum in here, you need to pay with Ethereum some fees, okay, the gas fees of the transaction. All right, then when you get to Olympus DAO, you need again to stake, you need to pay some fees. All right, and again, if you want to unstake, you need to pay some fees. So you really need to have Ethereum on your wallet that can cover your gas fees. Okay, so the same will work on SushiSwap, and in this case I'm going to show you if you want to use a stable coin. All right, if you didn't buy Ethereum and you have stable coin, just you can use this method in here and in here as well. I'm just going to show it to you here because I already shown you how to use Ethereum in here. Okay, connect your wallet or connect through here and choose again Metamask, and next connect, and now it's connected. So here choose if you want DAI or any other stable coin like USDC or USDT. Let's keep it as DAI and choose OHM and put in the amount that you want. Let's say $100 or $1,000, and here it is. Okay, and then click buy, and it will pop up here again to accept the transaction, and then the transaction will go through. Okay, now that you have done that, you need to add OHM to your wallet. Okay, as you can see here, I only have ETH in here. Okay, so to add OHM, you need to go to CoinGecko and search for OHM, and as you can see, I already pulled it up in here. It's Olympus, and here you can see if you are using Metamask, of course, just click on this here and click add token. And now if we go to our wallet, as you can see, here is OHM added in here. So what does this mean is, now the moment that you swap Ethereum or stablecoin to get OHM and the transaction went through, the amount that you had on Ethereum or the stablecoin will appear as OHM, okay? And that will be the equivalent of the transactions that you've made in here, okay? So this is it. I hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.